Well, good morning, everybody. It's the 4th of October, 2024, and it is 6:26 a.m. in Pahrump. And yes, we are going to have triple digits again today. The high today is going to be, let's see, 101, 100 tomorrow, 100 Sunday, and then we break into off triple digits: 99, 97, 96, 93, 92, 88, 91, 90, 90, 88. So we get some relief. I don't count 99 as under 100 or 97. I'm going to count 93 on Friday. A week from today is the first real fresh day. So we're going to stick with that. We're going to read the comments this morning. And the first one is on Smith's grocery trip. Tony LaBella says, don't forget the digital coupons. And I'm like, damn, you're right. I have the app. So it's right there. I didn't even look. He might have saved me some money on my next trip. What do people think in the park about this crazy guy following a UFO around? That was my new camera for, I'm going to show it to you here. Hang on. It's hanging on the wall. There. This is the new camera that is acts as a like a cameraman. It floats in front of me, and I know it looks very drone-like, but it doesn't like go off into the wild yonder. It's right around me at ground level, pretty much. And the old one, if you've ever seen it, this is the old one. The old one folds, which was nice. This is the old one. And there were some drawbacks to this, and I was just going out to do some testing to see if this one, who is, by the way, quite a bit less expensive, could do the trick. And it was really, there was a couple little drawbacks, but I think we have a solution to the audio problem. But otherwise, it did really, really well. Yes, what do people say about this crazy guy following a UFO around? Some things it's a little odd, so I try to do it early in the morning. And Michael's Human is saying, what is it? And I said, well, it's in the description. You know, I didn't want to go, this is, show the product. It looks like I'm selling a product or reviewing a product. That's not what I was doing. But this is what it looks like. Go in the description, gives the manufacturer's version of it and how much it costs and everything. Lisa, I may be the exception, but I actually enjoyed this video because you were explaining what you were looking for and whether or not the camera is performing as you expected. Yeah, that's all I was doing. I didn't mean it to be a video, but at the end I decided, you know, some people may be interested in this. Appreciate the honest product demo. And again, I didn't mean it to be a demo. It was more about, this is a day in the life, a thing that I do as a YouTuber. You know, I might get a new piece of equipment and I got to test it out before I try it on the channel. And you got that sort of, that's what it looks like. No description as to the specifics of what they're using this, what you're using for this video. And I said it's in the description. I can put links in the description. I can't put them in the comments. I don't know. They just disappear if I put a link in the comment. Ken Gray says, I think it's going to take a few years for the floating selfie sticks to catch up to what people want them to do. Maybe. I think it's pretty close now. I've noticed the audio from your lav mic has been distorted past several videos. Keep up the good work. Love your content. What I think is, it's a DJI mic, but there's a next level I can go to, if I can put my hands on the microphone here. I think it's, you know what, guys, I think it's behind me. It is, it's back here charging. We don't need that anymore, it's charged. So this is what the mic looks like, and it's Bluetooth and it's wireless, but the other thing you can do is you can cord internally to this. And that's super high quality audio. And then just whatever this thing has microphones on it, everything, all the cameras have their own microphone. What you can do, it's a little extra step, but I think I'm willing to do it, is you can download the separate audio off this match it up to what was coming off of this so it's in sync, silence this in the software, and only use this. Now, it'll have the sound of the drone in the background, but there's software to remove background noise. So, and I think in the car, I'll start doing this as well. I'll have this up here, just recording direct to this, and the road noise and what you're noticing, I think it's going to go away. Little extra step, but I think I'm okay doing it. The most important thing is audio. You know, there's discomfort with your audio, there's discomfort with your whole video. And I noticed it too. There's one I'm releasing today on my trip to Las Vegas to hang out with my friend Shane from my old job. The audio was distorted. There were parts where it was distorted. I was a little disappointed because I'm having to crank up the noise canceling so high in in particular on road noise. I'm so high that it's getting distorted. Let's see. PupCamp says, the man and his toys, the video was crisp and clear. The audio was okay, but not as crispy as when you use your mic and phone. I did like it the way it followed you forward and around in corners instead of taking pictures. So I think what I just described will solve that problem. Rose, that's so cool. And that's a fun day with potluck dinner. That was up in New Mexico in Eagle's Nest. That was a while ago. Mules rescue North Carolina victims. This is a cool, positive news story about going back over 100 years and using the tools they used then to move men and equipment as mules. Good story. Ken Consonate, yes, when tech fails, go old school and get the job done. Same video, Rose, mules are very smart, good heart, felt touching story, hugs to the fur babies, George and Dottie. M. Campbell says, mules have been bred and used for several thousand years. Occasionally the old ways are still the best. Mules are great. They have the size and strength of their mothers, the horse, and sensibility and sure-footed and robust health of their fathers, donkeys. Lots of mules around here. They live in the desert. They're in packs. And in the long form video today, you're going to see some in the wild that Shane and my buddy Shane and I ran into when I went to pick them up in Las Vegas. Lisa Roth says, mules are awesome. And Lisa again says, hi Rob, George and Dottie, the garden area is so lovely. I'm sorry about the heat though. Yeah, that was on my full-time RV life thoughts. And the first comment on the trip to Las Vegas to meet my friend Shane, mine was the first comment. I said, I did successfully get a link in the comment. For some reason it worked this time. And I said, sorry, Cottonwood, for misspelling in the video. There's a thing where I pop up, this is Cottonwood. I only had one T. But it was too late because it took so long to upload. Ken Gray, I feel for you. Highs this week are in the low 80s, so definitely getting to fall season. Well, he's in a good place. Robert Ballard, great report. This puts a new play on improvising and putting a plan into action. That's the mules. And on the new camera, sometimes you think you might be a closet tech mister. I worked for IT for 40 years and caught the bug for tech, so I know the symptoms pretty well. Robert Ballard, by the way, I'm not going to deny that. I love gadgets and tech. These ride-alongs are great. We plan to visit sometime, and we're starting to know our way around town thanks to you. It does make us wonder about growth impact from folks moving in from Las Vegas. Don't know about that. Good question for maybe local realtors. I know there's a bigger, more serious influx of Californians going into Las Vegas, but I don't know if there's a wave coming into Pahrump from Las Vegas. Is Las Vegas getting more expensive? Come with me to Walmart. My Walmart shopping. I love doing those videos. King for a Day says, I've noticed the last 2 years stock almost as much as Halloween stuff as Christmas. So I usually prefer the self-checkouts as it's easier to see what the price is as an item rings up. We found that every third or fourth visit, one of the items I'm buying will ring up the higher price. Fortunately, the clerks and supervisors at the checkouts always have been extremely helpful, and I've never had them call for a price check. They just take your word. And that is it today for the positive news. Yesterday it was very hard to get it uploaded. It didn't get uploaded until evening, so I'm gonna do this with a little bit lower resolution and see if we can get it through a little bit faster. So it's only going to be at 1080p, so no super high definition. I hope you don't mind that.